Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara if you're new here. This is going to be a weekend in my life. Right now I'm kind of starting to decorate for Christmas, not going too crazy. Just like a few little things that make me happy. And my reasoning for that is my fall decorations have been up for 2 months. So I think it's only fair if some of my Christmas decorations are also up for 2 months. We're not getting a tree right now or anything like that because we are currently real tree people. Now I'm just kind of going through everything, getting everything ready. I need to consolidate my fall decorations so that my Christmas ones can go up. I'm going to be redoing some stuff in this living room area. We're kind of working on a gallery wall thing. Maybe that'll get done today. We'll see. Now the table is pushed all the way this way. Normally it's centered under our lamp, as you can imagine, but we were doing at-home mat Pilates here last night, so it got pushed. So we'll probably move that back. We're also getting our COVID boosters in like an hour and a half. Also, we're going to a friend's for dinner and I'm making dessert, which are going to be mini cheesecakes. So I haven't even started them yet. Those need to get done. Okay, so I got out all of the boxes and I'm thinking I might just go through them to kind of see what I have and where I want to put certain things. Also, like, I still obviously need to collect my fall decor so that I can put that away, but yeah, I'm so excited. I'm really thinking I'm gonna hit 1,000 subscribers this weekend, if not today. I just want to say thank you for being here and I really appreciate you and I hope you're well. Anyways, that's all. Merry Christmas. Just wanted to show you our little mugs. I thrifted these. This one's empty. They're so cute. They have a little gold rim. The brand is Holiday Hostess, and if you want them and you like them, you can find them online. Just Google Holiday Hostess cup and saucer and they will come up. I'm planning on not buying a whole lot this year, especially because we're going to be moving out in the springtime probably. So let me just show you what I currently have, what we're currently working with. I'm starting to think that like maybe I should have actually gotten ready for this video, but you're just getting the real and the raw. So I hope you like it. So this is the only thing that I bought this year, so far at least. But these are pillowcase covers. So my vibe for Christmas is like traditional Christmas. So I got these plaid tartan pillowcase covers because, for one, I don't know where people are putting all these like decorative throw pillows that they buy. Like, we do not have space for decorative throw pillows, but pillowcase covers are great. And then they came in this box, so like that's how much space they take up. And also Ethan already has like a red throw blanket, so I'm gonna replace the throw blanket on the couch with the red for Christmas time. I'm usually not a red person, but at Christmas there is an exception, especially because I like traditional Christmas, which leads me into these are our stockings. I got them last year from Pottery Barn. It was because these are their classic stockings that they always have and probably will always have as long as they are making stockings and in business. I think are the medium size. Which, I mean, I guess with that, like if we someday probably have a child, we can get them a matching stocking, and if we have any other children as well, then they can have matching stockings. So that was kind of my thought process there. Otherwise I would have probably just gotten some from Target, but I do like these and I feel like these are something that we're going to have for a long time. So stockings. This box is mostly tree stuff. It looks like we have our tree skirt, tree stand, tree topper, some ornaments. So I'm thinking maybe this box can stay closed. Ethan's mom made us these little snowflakes, and she gave them to me, I think at one of my showers. I think at my main shower. And then I put these little green velvet ribbons on them, and I used some of them as ornaments. Ethan and I did get 2 Christmas tree ornaments this year on 2 different trips. So this one we got in Belfast, Maine. It's a little tree made out of like old antique lobster traps. This is not what lobster traps look like anymore, if you're not familiar, but that's what they used to look like. And then I think this one is the one from Newport. This is the one that we got in Newport, which I think I was gonna write Newport on it. Maybe I should ask Ethan, because some of them said Newport on them and then some of them didn't, and this one we liked the wreath, so I feel like we should write Newport at least like on the back or something for the mems. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, this is the mistletoe that I made in college that I hung in our dorm, which I think is so funny. I'm gonna have to hang it up. Anything related to the tree we will just go over in a future video whenever we get a tree. Oh, I can't wait to get these out. These are our snowman salt and pepper shakers. I think they're so cute. So the only thing with these is we don't actually have regular salt and pepper. As far as pepper goes, we only have peppercorns that you use in a grinder. And for salt, all we have is salt in the grinder, coarse sea salt, and flaky salt. So these are more decorative than functional, but they're still really cute. I just need to find our stocking hooks. Well, these are mini ornaments that somehow got smashed in here. So I'm thinking today we're going to hang the stockings up, switch over the decor on this thing, switch over the, if you want to call this our living room, I guess we can call it the living room, switch over that decor. Obviously we do not have a tree. And then also the dining table, switch over that decor. Also I have to make these cheesecakes, these mini cheesecakes. Okay, anyways, moving on. My room is kind of a mess, but I'm now going to film my outfit for a short. I'm going to post it. That is the plan for right now. Oh shoot, actually, speaking of these cheesecakes, the ingredients need to be brought to room temperature before you can make them. So I'm getting the cream cheese out, sour cream out, butter. I also need to get an egg out, but I think I'm gonna wait on that because I feel like the cream cheese will take longer to get to room temperature than an egg, and I don't want an egg just sitting out. It's 10:30 now, and this place is, I've created a mess. I have about an hour before Ethan gets home, so I really want to try to take care of all of this stuff. This whole thing needs to get cleaned before I redecorate it, but I figured I would show you some of the decorations that I had for fall. This little pumpkin thing was from Target, but I just have it on these books. I love these little pumpkins. I think the colors of them are just so cute. These are our fall placemats, also from Home Goods. I just had a little realization that I'm not going to be able to finish this today because we have nutcrackers and those are all going to go down here. So we don't have those right now. They're at Ethan's parents' house. Here we have Christmas Carol on top of our Calvin and Hobbes. I love this. I think it makes a perfect like coffee table book. Also, Ethan and I were both like really into Calvin and Hobbes as kids, so I love these stacked. I think they're so perfect. And then here I already had these like crystal things, and they're wrapped in like a purpley ribbon, and then I just tied this green velvet ribbon around. Okay, I don't love this, but I think for now it's fine. I just replaced those little pumpkins with teeny tiny little gold ornaments, and I think it's cute. It'll do for now. My allergies are something else today, and I'm over it. Next on the agenda, these 2 pillows are going to go inside, whoops, of these 2 pillowcases. It might be tricky. It might be tricky, but we're gonna do it. The only nice thing about these stupid ceilings is the fact that I can do that. Nice. I just realized that my pants are unbuttoned and I'm not sure how long they've been unbuttoned. So if any of the previous clips you saw that my pants were unbuttoned, I'm really sorry. I'm fully on my phone right now, but I'm leaving the grocery store now. I ran out of vodka, like cheap vodka, for the homemade vanilla extract, so I just ran and got more, as well as like our regular vodka because we were also out of that. And then I also got seltzer because Ethan is obsessed with seltzer. Fun fact about him. And it was on sale, buy 2 get 2 free, so I fully got 4 12-packs of seltzer, so we should be set for a while. I wanted to go for a walk today, but because of daylight savings, it's gonna get dark and like probably really soon, I don't know. But I'm headed home now. I want to finish editing this video. That's part of the reason I don't have my camera right now, is because the memory card is in the computer. Okay, someone just pulled up next to me. Gotta go. Bye. Hi you guys. So basically I didn't really finish with the table, but I did change out the placemats, and I wanted to show you the finished vanilla. These are the Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey vanilla extracts. This is the regular vodka. Both of these need to sit for like actually a few months before they'll be ready. This one I'm going to split into smaller containers and like distribute it amongst, I'm thinking this will be like a Mother's Day thing potentially. So I think I'm going to distribute it amongst mothers in my life. So that's the plan. Right now, I'm about to head to my in-laws' house to pick up my Sephora package from the Sephora sale because I accidentally sent it to their house and it's in a parcel locker and they're out of town. So Ethan had to go get the mailbox key from their house earlier today because they had to disable the alarm system so that he could get into the house to get the key and then rearm the alarm system so that I can pick up my package from a parcel locker. Anyways, I'm gonna go get that. So stay tuned. Sephora sale haul will be coming in the next video if you're interested in that. I think I'm also gonna be redoing my nails in the next video. This is almost a full month and I do my nails myself. These are like, it's at-home gel. This is OPI Malaga wine. I don't know if I said that right. I think I did. I don't really know though. But this is a month of grow out. And I just saw a girl who had like brown chrome, which I never thought of doing that, but I kind of want to now that I saw it. I'm gonna end off this video here. Thank you so much for watching it and I will see you in the next one. Bye.